Expression statements allow you to either assign a value or a calculated value, call a method, or initialize an object. All right. So let's look at the examples here. So here we have an expression statement that assigns a value of 0 to the score variable. And then another one on this line is we assign a calculated value. So in this case, we did an addition operation and store that uh, resulting value in our score variable. Next up is we can call methods. So it could be any methods either internally or from other classes. And then lastly, we have here an example of initializing objects. All right. In this case, we've created a new list of type string, which is called players, and then we've initialized it with an empty list of string. So that's your expression statements.